In this video tutorial, I'll provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new adware type application. This adware is called EngineFlow. EngineFlow is a new adware that is from the adload family. This particular adware is known to mainly attack, only to attack Mac computers. This adware called EngineFlow specifically injects its malicious roots into the Safari browser. Now, EngineFlow adware specifically is installed through deceptive techniques. So in many cases, users just download and install it absolutely unintentionally. If this EngineFlow adware was installed, your browser will be functioning in a very slow manner, and even your Mac will be functioning in a much slower manner than usually. Also, you may be facing a lot of pop-up advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. You may also experience a lot of browser redirection issues and other troubles. If you have found this EngineFlow to be the part of your Mac, check your applications, find this program, and move it to the trash. Also, we recommend that you research your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start thoroughly investigating the system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and delete other threats from your device. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.